Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hard comparison for 2025. Pika versus Runway, two of the most talked about AI tools for video creation. If you're trying to decide which one's actually worth your time, this is the breakdown you've been waiting for. Let's start with Pika. In 2025, Pika is pushing hard in the AI video generating space. It's sleek, super intuitive, and perfect for creators who want to generate short cinematic clips from a text prompt. You can write what you imagine, and Pika brings it to life with involving visuals, motions, and style. It's fast, focused, and ideal for storyboarding, creative concepts, and social content. Now, switching gears to Runway. This is more like a full AI video editing studio. In 2025, Runway's Gen 3 model is killing it with all extra detailing outputs. It's going implanting green screens, removal, text to video, and now even multi shot control. It's basically built for both solo creators and small teams who want deep control, editing options, and serious AI firepower behind their content. So, what's the move? If you're focused on simple, creative prompts and want something fast and fun, Pika is amazing for that. But if you want professional grade video AI, deeping editing features, and advanced storytelling tools, Runway takes the win. Alright, guys, that's wrap up for our comparison. Let me know in the comments which tool fits your style better. And if you're loving these 2025 breakdowns, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out. See you in the next one.